Tennis isn't just about power and precision, it's also about grace, glamour, and confidence. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 7 gorgeous female tennis stars who shined both on the court and in the world of modeling and pageantry. Get ready, it's time to serve some beauty, brilliance, and inspiration. Stay tuned. First up, Anna Kournikova, one of the earliest tennis icons to blend sports and glamour. After retiring in 2003, she lit up fashion magazines and was even named the sexiest woman in the world by FHM in 2002. On court, she was a doubles sensation, winning the Australian Open twice with Martina Hingis. From one glamorous Russian to another global icon. Maria Sharapova, the perfect mix of elegance and dominance. A 5-time Grand Slam champion and former world number 1, she also became a fashion favorite, appearing in the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue and leading campaigns for Nike, Tag Heuer, and Tiffany. Truly, she's the queen of both style and sport. And speaking of beauty with power, here comes Canada's own sensation. Eugenie Bouchard turned heads not just for her tennis talent but also her glamorous charm. A Wimbledon finalist and former world number 5, Eugenie graced the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue and made waves in the fashion world with her confident, camera-ready style. She's equally popular on social media, where her chic looks steal the spotlight. Now let's head to the Czech Republic for another fierce beauty. Karolína Plíšková, tall, powerful, and effortlessly stylish. Known for her model-like poise and tattoos that add a bold edge, she's often featured in high-end fashion shoots. A former world number 1 and US Open finalist, Plíšková brings elegance and strength in perfect balance. And now to one of the most adored stars from Serbia. Ana Ivanovic, the sweetheart of tennis. Known for her radiant smile and timeless grace, she's been featured in Vogue Germany and Harper's Bazaar. A former world number 1 and 2008 French Open champion, Anna combined talent with charm, later becoming a UNICEF ambassador and fashion icon. From Serbia's grace to India's golden girl. Sania Mirza, India's pride and a true fashion inspiration. Beyond being a multiple Grand Slam winner and former doubles number 1, she's graced countless magazine covers, walked fashion ramps, and became the face of brands like Alan Solly and Adidas. Sania redefined what it means to be a modern Indian sportswoman: bold, stylish, and unstoppable. And next, an American powerhouse who balanced aces with attitude. Serena Williams, a legend who transformed tennis and fashion. From her iconic on-court outfits to collaborations with Nike and her own clothing line S by Serena, she's always been a statement maker. A 23-time Grand Slam champion, Serena's confidence and style make her a trailblazer beyond sport. These women proved that strength and style can shine together, both on the court and on the covers. Who's your favorite among them? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tennis stories from around the world. Thank you for watching.